So guys, for the first method, you want to close LDPlayer. In the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, you want to find LDPlayer, you want to right click on it, and then click on exit. Make sure you have LDPlayer closed. Next, you want to open up LD Multiplayer. If you don't see it on your desktop, then just search for it. LD Multiplayer, open this up. And now once we're here, you want to delete your current LDPlayer. So click on the three dots, and then click on delete, and then click on confirm. Then you want to create a new one. So click on add instance, and then click on new instance, make a new one, and then click on start, and then see if that works. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. You want to scroll down till you see Hyper-V. Make sure you have this unticked. You want to untick Hyper-V. Next, you want to untick Virtual Machine Platform. Scroll down till we find Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure you have this box unticked as well. And you want to also do it for Windows Hypervisor Platform. So you want to untick those three boxes. Make sure that they're not installed, and then click on OK. See if that works. If you already had them installed and you untick them and you click on OK, it's then going to remove it for you, and it's probably going to ask you to restart your computer. So once you remove all of that and restart your computer, the problem should be fixed. For the next method, there's going to be 3 links in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. You want to install the latest drivers for your graphics card. See if that works. For the last method, if you're using an AMD CPU, you want to enable SVM mode in your BIOS. If you're using an Intel CPU, you want to enable VT-X, or it might be VT-D, one of those two. I'm going to leave 2 links down below in the description showing you how to enable SVM mode or how to enable VT-X or VT-D, depending on what CPU you're using. We're all using different motherboards, so the steps are going to look a bit different, but it's still going to be quite similar. So for the last method, enable either SVM mode or enable VT-X or VT-D in your motherboard. Again, the links are all going to be down below in the description to show you how to do that.